Hey guys, so if you have the issue with your Steam Deck crashing, I was looking on how you can possibly fix the issue with your Steam Deck, and this is something that I found here on Reddit, is that the only thing that got my Steam Deck running like a dream was Creo Utilities. If you're unsure what it is, just YouTube Steam Deck Creo Utilities. It takes a few minutes to install, and my Steam Deck hasn't crashed since, and performance has also increased. So try it out. Maybe that is going to fix the issue. When you're just going to write here on YouTube Steam Deck Creo Utilities, and you just want to learn how to install it. It's going to be a video right here. So you just want to install it and do it by it, and maybe it's going to help to fix the issue for you. So I just want to make this like quick and effective video what you can try to do, and I hope this video is going to help you and provide you the guidance that you need. And I just want to make this like quick video. Maybe it's going to help. So have a great day and goodbye.